I'm going to give you guys a quick presentation of my current project. So I'm going to start from the beginning here. So we have a 14 building wood frame residential multifamily setup here. As you can see, it's on a pretty steep site. The scope of work for this project is to replace exterior siding, all doors and windows, and do several site cleanups within the scope. So this started out with RJ, the scanner, going out and doing a scan of the site. So I took the scan from Recap and placed it into Revit, where I then broke up the scans into 14 different scans, and that allows me to go building by building, thus setting up 15 separate Revit files. So I have the site file where all of the links are loaded in. They are geo-coordinated and all that good stuff. And then that allows me to have separate Revit files. So then I can go into each building and work on the drawings for each building. So once I have all of this together, we can then create the topo model, or the site model, which I have labored precariously to do. It's still a little bit rough based on the lack of accuracy from the surveyor, but this is the site. So once we get this all modeled and the buildings exist and they are geo-coordinated and all of that good stuff, then the next step is to put it into Twinmotion for visualization. Okay, so I'm going to get out of my view here. So this is a game engine called Twinmotion. It's a visualization system here of a game engine to where I can take my Revit model and directly throw it into a video game environment. I can add all kinds of landscapes and trees and whatnot, and then begin to create a realistic site. As you can tell, this thing is very slippy. So the Twinmotion is not for creating documents, it is for visualizations. So I can animate trees blown in the wind. I can do all kinds of crazy stuff here. And then after we get done with some presentations to show the client what our new materials and whatever is going to look like, then we take this thing into Autodesk Tandem, which is a facility maintenance program. So what this program does, it's a web-based thing. It just takes your Revit models and throws it into the system, and then what you can do is use the parametric information that comes from the BIM model to give me different information. So these are all of the doors that will be demoed on the site. We have them all nicely categorized and whatnot. I can also click one of these and it will tell me any information about it based off of the parameter information that's in there. I can also create schedules directly from Autodesk Tandem. So the cool thing about all of this workflow is, first we started out with a 3D scan, which is technology. Then we put it into BIM, where we can build it ridiculously fast. It took me 2 weeks to create this all of the buildings and the site model, and I created 50 pages. So that is expert level work. 2 weeks for 14 buildings, 50 pages of drawings, a visualization program, and a facility maintenance program, all by using the base of Revit. Hope you enjoyed my presentation.